Welcome to Droid Leopard channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to record the screen on your Samsung Galaxy S24 phone. Now the first thing that you have to do is swipe down from the top and then swipe down again and then look for the screen recorder option in here. If you don't see it here, just swipe to the right and you should find it here. Now in my case, the screen recorder option is in here. Now all I need to do is just tap on it, and then in here you'll see this menu. Now from here, for the sound, you can see that we have three options. If you select none, no sound will be recorded. If you select media, then only the sound that is coming from your phone will be recorded. And if you select the last option, which is media and mic, then the sound from your phone and also the sound that goes through the mic of your phone will be recorded, which means you can record your voice through this option. Now once you select the option, all you need to do is just tap on start recording and you'll see this countdown, and now the recording is started. Now all you need to do is just keep doing the things that you would like to record, and once you're done, all you need to do is just tap on this icon here and that will save the recording into the gallery. So just go there and here you can see our recording. And that is how you can do screen records on your Samsung Galaxy S24 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.